Hello everyone, welcome back to KCET Max Revision Marathon. Our next question is based on combinations. Number of ways in which 5 girls and 3 boys can be seated in a row so that no two boys are together. This is a question. So here whenever you get no two boys together, no two girls together, means the people are not supposed to sit together, but the other category of people can sit. So here number of girls we have 5 and number of boys is 3. So these two groups, there is one restricted seating for one group, for the other group there is no restriction. Here no two boys are supposed to sit together, there is no restriction how girls are sitting. So restricted seating is for boys group, right? So we will consider this terminology, the girls group where there is no restriction. I am going to consider that as M. The group that has restriction is boys group. This I will consider as N. Now the formula is the group that do not have restriction. First take that M factorial into, there will be plus 1 alternative positions, M plus 1 alternate positions. From this M plus 1 alternate positions, we need to choose any N positions for this boys to be seated. So this is our, okay, so this is permutation. So you can take permutation and n. Okay, how many m plus 1 pn? This is a formula for this type of questions where there are two groups of people and one group has restrictions upon their seating. That is, none of them are supposed to sit together. So why this m factorial? Because we have 5 girls, we are going to make them seated in 5 positions. This can be done in 5 factorial ways into. After making them seated in these 5 positions, we will have to count how many alternate positions are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 alternate positions. Since boys are not supposed to sit together, they can take any of these alternate positions so that they will not be sitting next to each other. Out of these 6 alternate positions, how many are we supposed to choose for seating? So there are 3 boys, right? Therefore, we need 3 positions, right? So out of 6 positions, we need 3 positions. So the group that does not have restriction, that's your first factorial, and then plus 1 will be the number of alternate positions. In that, how many people are there in the restricted group? That is your R. So simplify this, this will be our answer. 5 factorial is 120 and 6p3 is 6 into 5 into 4, which is also 120. 120 into 120, 12 square is 144, and then we have 2 zeros. The answer is option D. There is a link in the video description. Click on that link and join our WhatsApp group for updates about KCET and all these notes. And also join our Telegram channel to get all the notes and resources of KCET exam. See you in our next video. Bye bye.